Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we are gonna learn how to create a product amusement park. This sounds very exciting, right? So let's go to my Notion. We are gonna create a product park. It's like a amusement park, theme park. Alright. But before that we are gonna choose our product. So what our product will be, you can choose any product guys, whatever you like. You can choose Starbucks, you can choose McDonald's, you can choose Lay's, or you can choose Spotify, anything. Alright, so I'm gonna choose Netflix. Alright, I'm gonna choose Netflix. Copy the image. What we are gonna do is we are gonna go to our ChatGPT, paste the image, alright, and we are gonna go back to our Notion and we are gonna copy this prompt. And before sending, it says the park should be titled, so we are gonna add our product name. Okay, and our park will be Netflix Park. Alright, and we are gonna click send. So ChatGPT will generate our image. Okay, so we have our image already, and this looks so real, guys. You want whatever you can describe what you want to add, what you want to remove, what you want to replace. All right. So for me, it's fine. I'm gonna download this, and now what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to Kling AI. We are gonna attach our picture, which I did already. Now we can generate a prompt. If you don't have a prompt, then you can generate. But I have my prompt, so I'm gonna use this and see how the result is. Okay, and let's click generate, and we will have our result in a while. Okay, so we have our result. Now let's have a look. Okay, this is nice. Okay, I actually generated two times, one with prompt and one is without the prompt. So you can see there is no much difference though, but overall it's good, it's nice. So I'll download this one. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you get the idea. So that's how you can create a product amusement park. You can create with your own product with any brand you like. Alright, so that's it guys, and if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And if you're watching until the very end, don't forget to drop a yellow heart, a yellow star. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.